substrate. Ayan. Kita nyo, agas-asok. Kasi mainit sa loob. Ayan. That's a steam that's coming from the substrate. Yeah, so, that's one sign na healthy or maganda yung ating composting ng ating substrate. Meron siyang mga amag while composting. Ito naman, mainit kasi yan sa loob. While composting, it should be hot. Diba? Can you see the steam from inside? So, yan, mainit. Yan ang one sign para malaman ba natin kung ang ating compost